Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what are the industries nowadays that require project management skills. Friend, today's topic is very important, especially if you have interest in project management or you are thinking to move your career toward project management. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, almost all business across the globe are constantly looking out for the latest and most efficient options to manage their projects cost effectively. The project management sector has become a diverse and exciting field to pursue. Project management is significantly becoming a higher valuable tool for helping the execution of different ideas. How it is used in the material production or manufacturing sector might be different from the implementation of project management in the service sector. But project management now is being increasingly implemented both in private and public sectors around the world, bringing noticeable improvement in the productivity and efficiencies of the business. The industries very common, very popular are which are using the which require project management skills are construction, manufacturing, finance and insurance, management and professional services, utilities, oil and gas, and information services and publishing. Almost all sectors need project managers with seemingly diverse job profiles and daily activities, but they all share the common need for the proficiency, phenomenal productivity, and performance. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video.